Well, happy birthday to you. Woo! 4th of July, 2012. Ooh! One-month birthday. This is Miss Kitty, Lady Lolo, and Captain Perks, baby girl. Hard to get all that in, my goodness. And she is full of herself. But we are so pleased with her. She is really smart. Everything we teach her, she picks up right away. But she does like to play. And she does like her way. Isn't that right, kitty kitty? Yes, it's right. I want to know everything going on. Want to be involved. Want to be the center of attention. See how she does with the fireworks tonight. Big old hip on her. And she got her ball down there to play with. Love her.